Uh, Welcome to my channel. Thank you for your support. So today we are going to learn on how to install Google Drive file stream on our desktop. As I had done a presentation on Google Drive, so today we are going to learn on Google File Stream. So Google File Stream is on a desktop application that allows you to access and work directly on your file within your Google Drive. So you go to your search engine, search for Google File Stream. It will redirect you to a page, as you can be able to see over here. It will direct you to a page where you are able to download your Google File Stream. Download it. Once it's downloaded, then you install. So this is our file that we have already downloaded. So you double click on it, then run. So we are installing the application. So with the with the Google File Stream, it will give you an extra location, disk storage location. You can make a shortcut of it on your desktop. So for those people who are saying who are in need of an extra space where they can be able to store their files, you can use Google File Stream. Microsoft gives you 15 GB, 15 GB free space that you don't pay for. So once we install, then we'll sign in. Sorry for that. I need internet connectivity. Sorry for that. I need to connect my PC on an internet. Just in a minute, I'll be able to be connected. Right. So let us refresh the page. Then I'll be able to choose my email. Then I sign in using my email. It will say the success logging in. Then we go back. Then we close it. Once we close it, we can enable the extension. So, okay. Then now I go back to my folder directory. Then here you can be able to see it's added. It's one of the added space on my email. So I can open my drive. So you can be able to see all this. All these are my documents. All these are my documents within my drive, so I can be able to access them locally. And also with other thing that you need to know is that you can be able to right click on it and you can enable it. You can make it offline. Meaning you can work on a document offline. Then again, when now you are online, you are able to have it, just click, then all the documents will be synced automatically. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoy. and continue to subscribe, comment. Let us push this to around 200 views or 1,000 views. So thank you so much. See you in the next tutorial.